Let me be clear. Jamal Barrow lost in Missouri.
Okay.
He came in third in a three-man race. And any prudent and responsible leader of the United Democratic Party would respect the will of the people. He cannot, under the current constitutional construct, be the leader of the United Democratic Party. He lost his seat. And so the rest of us in this party need to come together and need to stand firmly on what is constitutionally right, and more importantly, though, what the people of this country are saying, what they said in the general elections and what they're saying now. We need a leadership reset in the United Democratic Party, and we must allow that to happen in the shortest amount of time.